I gotta do my right.
It's your girl Jhordyn.
Was off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town, look at the news. 24-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. So babe is here with me today, but this video is actually a tutorial on how you can take your pictures by yourself. This was highly requested on my Instagram. Hella of y'all voted and told me that you need the tutorial, so thank you very much for your feedback. I'm giving that to y'all today, and he's kind of just here as my bodyguard. Doing a great job, by the way. He's kind of just here because taking pictures by yourself at a parking garage can be kind of sketchy. It's a Saturday, and I'm not gonna say where we at, but we're in the ghetto. We're in the ghetto. All in all, we're just gonna get straight into the video. I don't like long intros, so let's get it. All you're gonna need is your cellular device, a tripod, and a clicker. The Apple Watch is optional, but child, it's gonna be super helpful. So when I'm here by myself, I typically always have my car right here, so if any creeper tries to run up, they can get done up. I have all my stuff in my car, or it's just a quick getaway. So I have my tripod, and I have my cellular device. I have my clicker too, but it's still in the car, so I'm gonna just show you guys how I actually set my stuff up. So your tripod can be adjusted. I always keep it small so I can store it in my car easily. First things first, I always extend my tripod. So I bring it up to the highest level that it'll go. So I've extended my tripod. This is how big the tripod is. Not very big, but it's tall enough to get the job done because I'm a short person. So all I do is pop my phone into this part right here, and I let that be that. Also, advice from somebody who's trying to be a micro-influencer or who is a micro-influencer, every time you take your own pictures, regardless of whether you think your camera is clean, always hit one of these and wipe it. Because you're gonna be pissed if you start taking all your pictures just to find out that they're blurry and crusty. Why are the birds going crazy right now? I always use my back camera when I take my pictures because I have a hack. If you have an Apple Watch, use the camera. If you use the camera, you're able to see yourself and see how your poses look before you even take the picture. So you can low-key save storage because, you know, we'd just be clicking away trying to get that good shot, but you can check your watch, adjust your pose, and then click. This is a clicker. If you don't have them, you can cop them off of Amazon. I will probably leave a link in my description box down below. If y'all don't have a clicker, make sure that you invest in a clicker because this is going to save your life whenever you're taking pictures by yourself with or without a tripod. So I basically just walked y'all through the setup process. I'm gonna stop rambling and take these pictures because I'm getting tired of this wind. It's not trying to let me be great and I want food. So let's get to it. So much time because I can be like, okay, I don't look like a idiot now. So I've turned on my clicker, I have my watch camera set up, and I'm about to get to taking my pictures, y'all. From the beginning, you ruin everything, you do it every time. You are my enemy, you are no friend of mine, motherfucker. You motherfucking right, you motherfucking right, I'm bitter. You motherfucking right, I'm triggered. You motherfucking right, right now. I just turn the lights out now. You know when the sun go down, that's when it would all go down. Been a while, and nobody hit it since you with it. You know you always know what to do with it. It ain't on me and you without you with it. Yeah, I'm about to burn this bitch down. Think I need to lie down. Cause I'm not trying to wild out. So we're catching golden hour right now. I present you my man. Yo, straight, okay, we're gonna ignore that one, but this is part of the struggles of filming and taking photos by yourself. Sometimes these little clickers don't like to cooperate and let you be great, but there's plenty of greatness to be had, okay? And that's on period. You know what, I like to get my detail shots, and I don't know if I caught that part on film, but I'm gonna get my shoes now. So basically, you just adjust your tripod down to whatever level you need it to be at. You know, you gotta get them details, you know what I'm saying? So put my phone back in. Eventually, fall back
back eventually. Please call me back eventually. Fall back into me, yeah. Baby, I'm overreacting. Baby, I don't know what happened.
So all in all, before you leave, make sure that you always check your photos before you dip, because if you don't get the quality that you like, you gonna be yelling at yourself. You're gonna be kicking yourself and it's not gonna be cute, okay? The watch comes clutch. You can also take photos off of the watch if your clicker starts to fail you, so just keep that in mind. All right, y'all, I'm hungry and we got stuff to do. We about to go to the mall, so I think we're about to wrap this video up. Shout out to Babe for coming with me to be my bodyguard, even though it was pretty dead at the parking garage today. That's basically how you take your own photos in a parking garage. Like I said before, all you need is your phone, a tripod, a clicker, and an Apple Watch is optional. I'm about to close out my camera, but it's that simple. It's really nothing to it. Just make sure that you stay safe, especially if you're a woman doing it by yourself. That's exactly why Babe came with me today, because I do it by myself with the photos only, but I'm filming a whole tutorial today, so I really needed to focus on this and be able to give y'all that quality content. I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below for what you want to see next, and if you want more tutorials out of me. And aside from that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. All right, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.